Tonka truck coming. Must be gonna go to church. Gonna tip it up sideways to get oil to run into that outer bearing. It's the only way you get it to run in there, is to tip it up sideways like that. Let it sit for a while. Alex, we got a situation there in Oklahoma with Frank. He's gone AWOL and he's done run off to Mexico. I'm afraid we're going to have to fire him when he gets back, if he comes back. He's down there drinking beer, cervezas, eating salsa, just having a damn good time. I don't remember him asking for any time off, do you?